Hello, what's up? Kumusta? Kumusta po kayong lahat mga idol at bossing ko? Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Meron na naman tayong bagong upload, mga bagong dating na unit na inyong mapagpipilian. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, you should watch this until the end para wala kayong mamiss na unit. Nag-a-upload pala ako ng 2 hanggang 3 video sa loob ng 1 linggo, kaya kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Huwag na nating patagalin, umpisahan na natin. Nangunguna sa ating lineup, 2016 Ford Escape 1.6 SE EcoBoost, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 70,000 km, price 468,000. Location, Parañaque City. Sport Edition, Casa maintain with Casa Records, fresh and excellent condition, pwede sa masela na buyer. Naka all leather interior po ito, mga upuan at sidings. 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting, wala pong delay. Naka power seat na po ito, all power features, 100% working. All gauge are working, check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered. Best buy unit to at maayos ang kondisyon nito, alaga talaga ng may-ari. Solid ang under chassis nito, wala po itong kalampag at naka-register din po ito hanggang 2024. Check nyo po engine bay nito, malinis, no talsik, no usok, no blow by. Bago rin po ang battery nito, condition po ang unit, ready for long drive, wala pong issue. Outside appearance nito, stock original shiny paint, very presentable. Maayos pa naman ang mga gulong, makakapal pa, naka-disc brake na rin po yan, harap at saka likod at may anti-lock braking system. Next, 2018 Mazda BT50 2.2L 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 20,000 km, price 830,000. Location, Las Piñas City. May back sensor na to, Casa maintain with Casa Records. Rear wheel drive, 6-speed automatic transmission, may electronic stability and traction control. Clean and intact ang interior, quality pickup, mababa lang po ang mileage neto. May rear center armrest, swabe ang suspension at meron na po itong beadliner cover. Under the hood, naka 2.2 liter diesel engine na may 148 horsepower at 375 Nm of torque. Malinis din ang makina, no leaks, no overheat history. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Ang ganda ng forma ng unit na to, naka 20 inches black Rhino mags, naka bushwhacker flare fenders, may roll bar at may rain gutter. Sasakyan mo na lang to, ready for long drive. 2011 Toyota Innova 2.0G manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 90,000 km, price 395,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Original shiny paint, very presentable, well-maintained and well-preserved unit. Power steering, naka-dual airbag, 5-speed manual transmission. Malamig ang aircon po nito, may automatic climate control. 8-seater capacity po ito. Ayos pang kondisyon nito, isa rin po sa mga reliable na brand, Toyota syempre. Under the hood, naka 2.0 dual VVTi gas engine na may 132 horsepower at 180 Nm of torque. No hidden defects, good running condition. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit, pwede nyo pong i-check at test drive. You can bring your trusted mechanic para magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind. 2014 Hyundai Accent 1.4 GLS automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 km, price 370,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Special edition lang po ang kulay na to, may back sensor na rin. Power steering na rin to, naka touchscreen head unit, 6-speed automatic transmission. Adjustable po ang height ng driver seat. Power windows po ang front, naka two-toned leather seats at maayos pa po ang kondisyon ng mga upuan, wala pong crack, walang punit, malinis po ang interior neto, sariwang-sariwa pati compartment, malinis. Under the hood, naka 1.4 liter gas engine na may 99 horsepower at 132 Nm of torque. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. At kung may existing unit po kayo, pwede rin po dito trade-in. Naka 14 inches alloy wheels na po yan, naka disc brake po ang harap at drum brake ang likod. Sasakyan mo na lang to, ready for long drive. 2014 Ford Ranger 2.2 XLT 4x2 manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 100,000 km, price 568,000. Location, Parañaque City. Well-maintained and well-preserved na pickup sa naghahanap dyan ng manual transmission, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, may electronic stability and traction control, naka dust-free rubber mattings, all power windows, door lock and mirrors, gumagana po lahat. May backing sensor na rin to with camera, naka all leather interior, mga upuan at sidings, maayos pang kondisyon. Smooth ang suspension, solid ang under chassis, wala po itong kalampag. Excellent engine condition, fuel efficient, naka 2.2 liters diesel engine po ito. Malinis, no talsik, no usok, no blow by at bago po ang battery neto. Naka 20 inches black Rhino mags at ang mga gulong nito naka Ferrelli, nasa 90% trade line. Machong macho ang forma, lifted na rin po ito, naka 3M tent at mayroon na rin po itong strip board. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just diesel and go. Next, 2006 Toyota Innova 2.0G, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 90,000 kms, price 368,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Another 8-seater na Innova, kanina manual, ito automatic, clean and intact ang interior nito, naka dual airbag, power steering, malamig po ang aircon, may automatic climate control, naka all leather ang mga upuan, well maintained and well preserved unit, may rear aircon vents, at maluwag po ang trunk space nito, foldable po ang third row. Under the hood, naka 2.0 gas engine na may 136 horsepower at 183 Nm of torque, naka Motolite battery, good running condition. Outside appearance nito, smooth shiny paint, makinis, mga gulong nito makakapal pa po, nasa 95% tire condition. Sasakyan mo na lang to, ready for long drive. 2016 Suzuki Swift 1.2 GL, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 395,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng hatchback na below 400k ang budget, naka touchscreen head unit, may auxiliary and USB input socket, 4-speed automatic transmission at maayos po ito, wala pong delay sa shifting, all intact, naka fabric seats, 100% hindi po ito nabaha, 100% no accident history, all stock, all original ang unit na to. Check nyo po engine bay nito, naka 1.2 liter gas engine, very fuel efficient, na may 87 horsepower at 114 Nm of torque. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen, naka all-in down payment po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis naman po tayo, negotiable upon viewing, at kung may iba po kayong inquiry, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po. 2019 Honda Civic 1.8S, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 850,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Elegant look, puting-puti, mayroon na rin po itong back sensor, reverse camera, multi-function steering wheel, push start with cruise control, may anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, naka-power seats at naka-power window na po ito, naka-fabric seats ang mga upuan, well-maintained at maayos po ang kondisyon, saktong laki lang po ang trunk space nito. Under the hood, naka 1.8 liter gas engine na may 135 horsepower at 174 Nm of torque, naka-stock 16 inches two-toned alloy wheels, wala pa pong mga gutter marks. Outside appearance ito, stock original shiny paint, wala pong gasgas, walang dent, very presentable. Just comment down below sa interesado at i-assist ko po kayo. 2020 Hyundai Kona 2.0 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 20,000 kms, price 670,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Stock lang po ang likod nito, naka full garnish set na po yan, may high mounted stoplight, push start, front wheel drive, 6-speed automatic transmission, may anti-lock braking system, may 6 na airbag, 2 in front, 2 at the sides, and 2 curtains, naka fabric seats, 5-seater capacity at sariwang-sariwa po ang loob nito. Saktong laki lang po ang trunk compartment at ang second row niya natutupi din. Under the hood, naka 2.0 gas engine na may 147 horsepower at 179 Nm of torque. Garantisadong no engine issue, no hidden defects. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen, at kung may iba pa kayong inquiry, don't hesitate to ask. Naka keyless entry na rin to at may immobilizer. Nothing to fix, ready to use, sasakyan mo na lang to. Next, 2013 Mazda CX-5 2.0V, Sky Active, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 65,000 kms, price 530,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Push start, malamig po ang aircon nito, may automatic climate control, all power, all mechanism are working well, naka-fabric seats ang mga upuan, 5-seater capacity na crossover, sariwa ang loob nito at maayos, excellent condition. Sa may hilig magbiyahe, maluwag ang trunk space nito, marami kang may lalagay. Engine bay nito, guaranteed no engine issue, no leaks, no overheat history, malinis, wala po itong issue. Syempre, available din po ito sa financing, naka all-in down payment po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis naman po tayo, negotiable upon viewing, at kung may existing unit po kayo, pwede rin po ditong trade-in. At sa selected models, free na po ang transfer of ownership. 2013 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLX 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 70,000 kms, price 620,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng 7-seater na Montero Sport na affordable price, pwede niyo pong i-consider to. Naka-touchscreen head unit, smooth and responsive po ang transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting, malinis, sariwa po ang loob nito, well-maintained and well-preserved unit din ang may-ari. Kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan, wala pong punit yan, maayos, pati back compartment, maluwag, at mayroon na rin tong rear aircon vent sa likod. Check nyo po engine bay nito, under the hood hood, naka 2.5 diesel engine na may 134 horsepower at 340 Nm of torque. Sa mga interesado, available po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po yan. Must see the unit to appreciate. Pwede po kayong magpa-schedule ng viewing para ma-check at ma-test drive nyo po ng actual. Next, 2017 Toyota Avanza 1.3e, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 580,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap dyan ng 7-seater na Avanza, pwede nyo pong i-check at i-consider to. Power steering na rin to, naka dual airbag, malamig ang aircon, naka automatic climate control, may anti-lock braking system. Si Avanza naman, maluwag naman ang space ng second row, okay naman ang space ng legroom tsaka headroom. Maayos din po ang suspension nito, walang kalampag, kompleto ang mga papel, ready for transfer. Under the hood, naka 1.3 dual VVTi gas engine na may 96 horsepower at 121 Nm torque. Fuel efficient po ito. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Naka-keyless entry na rin po ito. Outside appearance nitong unit, makinis. Wala naman pong gas-gas. Walang dent. Very presentable. Just gas and go ka na lang dito. 2015 Isuzu Cruisewind Sportivo 2.5X. Manual transmission. Diesel engine. Mileage 60,000 kms. Price 580,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa nag-request sa akin magpahanap ng Isuzu Cruisewind na Sportivo na manual, eto po, check mo idol, baka makursunadahan mo to. Clean and fresh intact interior, naka all leather po ang mga upuan, maayos ang kondisyon, wala po itong mga crack. 8-seater capacity, maayos po ang mga pang-ilalim nito, smooth pa ang suspension, wala po itong kalampag. Garantisadong wala pong issue ang makina, malinis, wala pong oil leakage, wala pong overheat history. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ulit ng computation sa screen. LTO verified na po ito, kompleto po ang mga papel, ready for transfer at updated po ang registration nito hanggang 2024. 2019 Honda City 1.5e, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 30,000 kms, price 590,000. Location, Las Piñas City. All stock, all original, may reverse camera at back sensor. Push start na po ito, may anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution. Naka two-toned leather seats na po ito, clean and intact ang interior, nothing to fix, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may napili at nagustuhan kayo. At kung wala pa po dyan ang kurso natin yung sasakyan, paki-comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe hanggang sa next upload. Marami pong salamat. Mabuhay po kayong lahat and stay safe everyone. This is Jay Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!